So it's been a minute, quite a minute, 5 years since I've made a video, but you're not going to see me 5 years older, at least not for a while. I couldn't stand it. I had to share this with you guys. Obviously, we're all in some situations where we've lost jobs or whatever. We're trying to stretch what's in the fridge, whatever, because of the COVID-19. And we had a couple dozen eggs that seemed like they were a little past their due date or still had a due date that was acceptable, but I was thinking they were sketchy. Anyway, if you've ever wondered if your eggs are good rather than eating them, fill up something that's deeper, obviously a good bit, and put them in here. You can see some of the eggs have floated to the top. They've created air bubbles. They've lifted to the top. That means they're not good. They're getting thrown out. And then some have sunk. So let's just go here. See the sunk ones? There's like 4 out of 2 dozen eggs, I think. Gonna pull those out, and those are the ones we're gonna use first. The rest are getting thrown out. I'd say subscribe, but you know, you probably already are. I'd say go to the shop, but that thing closed. Life for us has been quite different, but I still miss you guys and wanted to share. I hope this can help you not get sick and save some money. Yeah.